In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Fortnite on a PlayStation 5 with two controllers. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have an additional controller, a DualSense that you want to use on your PlayStation 5, you will be able to play Fortnite on any of the standard game modes like Battle Royale through split screen. So you and a friend will be able to share the same screen and play with the additional controller. So to start, all that you have to do is connect the controller to your PlayStation 5. Keep in mind that the process is also exactly the same on a PlayStation 4 or any other console, so as long as you follow the same general steps, this is going to work. So, for a PlayStation 5, you just have to plug in an additional controller. You can plug it in through a wired connection, so usually this is going to be a USB cable originating from the controller going into the console, or alternatively, if you prefer, you can do a wireless connection. To establish a wireless connection, just press and hold the PlayStation button and the share button simultaneously. This will allow you to connect the controller to the PlayStation 5 wirelessly. You can choose whichever option you prefer. The important thing is that you have to set up the controller. Usually, once this is done, an option to assign a user account will appear. This is very important, so make sure that you either create a PlayStation Network account for this additional controller or you assign it as a guest. As long as you set up the user account, you will be able to play Fortnite split screen or any other game that supports the mode. With the user account properly assigned, you are good to go. If you go inside of a lobby, you will see this message at the bottom right. Log in with the secondary controller. So all that the secondary player has to do is press and hold the respective button on the controller. Usually this is going to be triangle. So as soon as you press and hold that respective button, the secondary player will load into the lobby and they will be able to control themselves with the additional controller. You can now queue into any of the standard game modes and split screen will start automatically. Keep in mind that not all modes can be accessed with split screen. For example, Lego does not have split screen mode at the moment, but any standard one like Battle Royale will work flawlessly. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Fortnite on PlayStation 5 with two controllers. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.